Welcome to MentalShift. Today, we're exploring a simple but powerful question: what is psychology, and why does it matter? Meaning and origin. The word psychology comes from the Greek words psyche, meaning soul or mind, and logos, meaning study. It originally meant the study of the soul. Today, it means the scientific study of the mind and behavior. What it covers. Psychology helps us understand how people think, feel, and act. It covers topics like emotions, memory, learning, motivation, personality, and social behavior. From mind to society. It connects our inner world, thoughts, dreams, choices, to real-life experiences like relationships, growth, aging, and mental health. Role in mental health. Psychology plays a key role in supporting mental well-being. It helps explain how our thinking and behavior affect our health and daily life. APA perspective. According to the American Psychological Association, APA, psychology is a broad science that helps people grow, heal, and thrive, in schools, workplaces, hospitals, and homes. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MentalShift. See you in the next one.